clouds.
It has.
Oh, there's cloudless.
Show the first page like that. Oh, yeah, that's wrong.
The same. It's,
The back.
I knew there would be sticky gummies. I love origami.
What's that? Oh, flight certificate. You have to describe your trip, origin, destination.
But there is stickers inside.
This is how to make this.
Origami.
How
Oh
to
yeah.
make this.
Yeah, I know how to do origami too.
Okay. Anything else? There.
Instructions.
That.
Crayons.
All gone.
And this is activity book.
We need to put ours. Is it okay? Sure.
Tic-tac-toe.
Can we, are we
Our
allowed
journey.
to? Are we allowed to?
How are you feeling?
Mom, are we allowed to?
Right now you are. What did you pack? Boarding pass
What? No way they have this.
and travel word search. Memory lane.
Wait, origamis, please.
I have a
Origami.